Hey everyone, welcome to the Feed Mzansi, your go-to spot for the latest updates. If you enjoy staying up to date, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell. Guys, the situation with Shebashit just got a whole lot worse. According to new state filings, Shebashit's older matters have now been pulled into the new attempted murder case. That upgrade pushes everything into Schedule 6, one of the harshest categories in the system. His current charges include 3 counts of attempted murder, possession of an unlicensed firearm, malicious damage to property, robbery with intent to cause bodily harm, and multiple charges linked to a 2023 arrest warrant. For Shebashit, this is not just a court case, this is a battle for freedom, and the story is far from over. After a brief private consultation, the magistrate postponed the matter to November 27 at 2 p.m. Stay logged in for the next update. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.